You guys know what to do? Either of the answers seem correct, but only one will be accepted. 5 seconds. Correct answer, letter B. Seem. Hala ma'am, di ba kapag may either neither, kung ano yung malapit, dapat yun yung susundin. Answers yan, plural. So tama lang na seem. Guys baka kakadiscuss ko ng proximity rule dito, yun na lagi yung nasa isip nyo. Tandaan na mag-a-apply lang ang proximity rule kapag may correlative subjects. Ang correlative subjects, pinagdudugtong ng correlative conjunctions. Ang correlative conjunctions, neither, nor, either, or, not only, but also, tandaan laging pares yan. Dito, yung either, isa lang siya. Wala naman siyang kapares dyan Wala namang either or. Either lang. At kapag mag-isa lang yan dyan, siya yung subject. Yung either ang subject dito. Hindi yung answers. Yung of the answers, prepositional phrase lang siya dyan na naka-attach doon sa either, pero ang subject na titignan natin dito, yung either mismo. Again, wala siyang kapares na or dyan. So, hindi mag-a-apply ang proximity rule dito. Ang mag-a-apply is kapag meron kang either or neither as your subject, singular palagi. So, ito dapat ay seems.